Hi guys, welcome to Success Route. Today we will discuss what is the difference between where class and having class. In interview point of view, it is a very important question. Basically, regular basis, we can expect this question. See, basically, where class we can use to filter the data from table based on the specific condition. So condition based, if you want to filter the data, it's generally if you want to filter the data, then we can go with as a where class. Like on top of aggregated data, if you want to filter, then we can go with as a having class. On top of aggregated data, if you want to filter, we can go with as a having class. See, where class basically it will support like all the statements like select, update, delete, and all it will support. Having class, it will support only select statement. Having class, we can write on only select statement. For where class, the group by statement is optional. For where class, the group by statement is optional. If we are writing that having class, the group by statement is mandatory. Why? Because of the group by statement on top of aggregated data only we can use to filter this having class. See, before writing group by class, we can implement it as a where class. After group by statement, we can use it as a this having class. Basically, this where class we can use it as a to filtering individual rows. Individual rows. Having class we can use it as a to filtering group rows, group wise rows. So this where class will not support it as aggregated functions, but having class will support all the aggregated functions, So where in having class only we can use it as a aggregated function. Now this we can see that practical point of view. Quickly jump into SQL Server. Let's say I'm taking one of the table that is employee. See now this table, it is having like a several departments of information, like majorly we can say 10, 20, 30th department. Now I want to see only the 10th department information. 10th department information. So 10th department information, for seeing purpose, we can use it as a where class. It means to say we are filtering the data. Wherever in the table, wherever the department number is 10, those we are saying to filter that. So where that condition we are writing, the condition is where department number equal to 10. So first it will filter the data and it will give the output. So that it will give the output to us. Like where department number in 10, 20. So now it will display to 10th department and either 10th department or 20th department who are working, all the department employees, it will show to us. Like let's see, for example, I'm thinking to fetch it as a who has taking salary more than 30,000, more than 3,000, where salary is 3,000. So like this, if we want to filter the data, we can use it as a where class. For this where class, as we discussed in theoretical session, the group by statement is optional. As we discussed, like a theory statement, like the group by statement is optional. See why? Because of here we haven't written that group by statement. Group by statement. Basically, these these uh, these where class will not support to use it as a aggregation functions. Aggregation functions. Okay, see now it will throw it as a error. An aggregate may not appear in the where class unless it is a subquery contained or having class. So the where class will not support it as a aggregated functions. So for that we can use it as a group by for that we can use it as a having class. So as per the definition for having class, like on top of aggregated data, we can use it as a this having class. On top of aggregated data, filtering purpose, we can use it as a having class. So to fetching the aggregated data purpose, we need to use it as a group by statement. We need to use it as a group by statement. Let's see, now I'm thinking to fetch it as a department wise total salary. Department number, comma, sum of salary. On top of these, if we want to filter, on top of this, if we want to filter, then we can use it as a having class. On top of these data, if we want to filter it as a, we can go with as a having class. Now I'm thinking to fetch which of the department the total salary is having more than 10,000, more than 10,000. So that we can write here. Like first we get it as a group wise information. On top of group wise information, we are filtering purpose. We are using it as a having class. Having sum of salary greater than 10,000. So now it will give that who are taking more than 10,000, which of the department it is taking, those it will show it. Like basically here few of the people will try to use it as a having class. Basically, in having class, basically they will try to use it as a this alias name. In alias, the alias name, it won't support in having class. Why? Because of the execution order is different. The execution starts from class, then it will goes to group by, then it will goes to having, after that it will goes to select statement. So while writing this having class, you need to write the expression. We need to write the expression. This is the difference between like a where class and having class.